Hello, welcome back. My name is Charles Agazie, Charlie Photos here. So today I'm going to show you guys 4 easy tips to increase the quality of your designs in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one is use higher document resolution. Now let's open up Photoshop and show you guys something. So here we're in the magical world of Photoshop. I have 2 documents I want to show you guys. Now look at this document, look at this image, this document, and look at this second one. Can you notice anything different? Just guess. Can you notice anything different? Okay. Now if you can see, if you can watch this document, this first document is created, if you watch here, is created in 2000 pixel by 1000 pixel and 300. Now look at the second document. Okay, it's created in 500 pixel by 500 pixel and 72 ppi. Okay, so now you see that these two images, the resolutions are quite different, they vary. So the first method talks about using higher resolution images, higher resolution document. Okay, now to show you guys this, and if you want to open a new document, now you basically just go to your file, new, or you just press Ctrl or Command N, Ctrl for Windows and Command for Mac OS systems. So now here, if we open the new document, now we see by the right hand side here, what you have to do is to tend to use high resolution image, high resolution document. So most people just usually just go for 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel. For me, I usually use 2000 pixel by 1000 pixel I want to design. Okay, so now I've already created this. So now zooming up in these our 2 images, now you see the one I created, the document that is 2000 pixel by 1000 pixel. You see when I zoom out that the resolution stays quite intact before it begins to fade. Okay, if I try to zoom out a little bit, you see the resolution stays intact for a while before it pixelates. But the second one, that is 500 pixel, like without even zooming out self, you see that it's already looking jagged, it's already looking pixelated. So this is a very important thing that you have to take note of. Use high resolution images. Okay, the second tip that I want to give you guys is to make use of 3D models. I want to just show you guys example. I'll tell you some websites where you can get some quality 3D models in your design, but before I do that, I'll show you guys some designs that I use 3D models for. Now look at the design I did for WinExchange. WinExchange is an exchange brand, very recommended. Okay, so but I do designs for WinExchange company. I always use 3D models for WinExchange design. That's the brand style. High quality 3D models. Zoom out is intact. The quality of the 3D models are very much intact. As you can see, my designs, I don't use anything below 2000 pixels. That's referring back to the first step. You see my design, look at this one, look at this one. I don't use anything below 2000 pixels. They give your designs some modern vibe. Now some websites that you can get 3D models, number one website is FreePic, a very standard website. So once you just go to FreePic, just go to the search button here, you type 3D character happy girl. So you see a lot of examples of 3D model. For an average designer, the free plan is okay for you. Third tip is to use high resolution images. Okay, I'll show you guys some designs that I use high resolution images for. Okay, now look at this design I created for Maker's Burger a while ago. Maker's Burger is another reliable, credible brand. Okay, and okay, this is for Makers. They have Maker's Burger, they have Maker's cleaning services, but this particular design is for Maker's cleaning services. I don't want to make this video too long. Okay, so these are high quality images that I use for these designs. So I'll show you guys some places there are lots of places you can get high quality images that with your skill of Photoshop in removing backgrounds, make sure you remove the background neatly. Some websites that I use to get high quality images. We're back here again, FreePic. Look at high quality images. You just go to the search bar and type happy girl image. It's giving us a result of some very high quality images, and most of them are free. So what is your excuse? So you download, open the ones that you like for your designs. You can either type anything and get the images and use for your designs. Okay, now the last step that I want to show you guys is to use high resolution mockups. Now we're back to Photoshop and an example of a design that I use high resolution mockups. So I love mockups, but I just want to show you guys really that I use high quality mockups in my images. Okay, it is very neat. So let me show you guys where you can get high quality mockups. Now I have to recommend you can use Freepik. Freepik can give you a very number of high quality mockups that are fresh on now. You can also use Pixabay. Pixabay is a very good resourceful website that you can use to get high quality images. So that's it, guys. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below if there's any method you think I missed I should have covered. Now thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.